here at IMTS 2024 in the Agile Robotics booth. Tom is here with me, and we're going to be talking about their Flex 35 product. So Tom, I'm going to turn it over to you. Why don't you give us a little bit of an overview about this machine?
Yeah, thank you for stopping by. The Flex 35 is our flagship product, and it holds up to 6-inch diameter, 6-inch long parts with the drawer capacities up to 440 pounds.
Wow. And what about part sizes? Are you guys able to configure the part trays based on a customer's application and parts?
Yeah, so if a customer's got billets, we can just use billets standard out of the box, but our simple to use nest plates can be lasered to accommodate any shape of part.
Awesome. And then what about like production size? So a lot of people are always asking, is this more a job shop? Is it more production style? What do you guys see the most with the Flex 35?
Yeah, we're really geared towards job shops. Job shops are the heart of America, right? So high mix, low volume, or even a job shop that just wants to gain a couple hours every day. So this is a good fit.
And one of the things that we had previously talked about was the robot's always running, no matter you're changing out drawers. Can you talk about that?
Yeah, so the operator is always outside the cell. We want the robot always running inside the cell. So our drawer system pulls out the other side away from the robot, and the operator can be setting up and scheduling the next job. And with our system, you get to schedule that next job. So as long as the jaws don't change, the operator can actually have a schedule instead of needing to wait to set up that next job.
And talking about setting up jobs, I know you guys have a little bit of a conversational piece on the control side.
Yeah.
Can you talk about that?
Yeah, the control is conversational, very graphical, and has pictures, questions and answers, what's the length of the part and what's the diameter of the part. It's really hard to mess up.
And it ties into the machine as well.
It does. So the machine tool is the slave in our system, and so our system is telling the machine tool what program to run next. So if you do that schedule and the program's already in the machine, we're telling it to run that next job.
Sure. And now let's say somebody in a little bit more higher production work is wanting to do a drawer system like this. Do you guys have other models that hold more parts?
Yeah, so if you outgrow the Flex 35, which some customers do, we go into our mega drawer. The mega drawer holds up to 880 pounds per drawer.
Wow.
And up to 8 drawers.
Wow. And with reutilization of the product, so say a customer is done with one job, they have the Flex 35, they want to move to another job, put the Flex 35 on it. What kind of flexibility is there to make sure the Flex 35 is customized to their product, to their application that they're doing?
It's very simple to redeploy a Flex 35. In under a day, we can move it from a machine to a machine if need be, and re-laser out new nest plates, and they're up and running. Pretty simple.
Sounds like it. And then kind of last question here, I know what kind of robot do we have on here, and what things are you guys doing to make this area safe inside of a machine shop?
Okay, so we do use an industrial robot, and we use a SICK area scanner. So it's a FANUC M20i35. So it's a 35 kilogram robot, and we can hold up to a 55 pound part with that robot, but it is industrial, so we have to keep it safe with an area scanner.
Absolutely. Well, Tom, thanks so much for being with us. And if any of our viewers or anybody here at the show wants to learn more about Agile and the products that you guys offer, what website can they reach you at?
They can reach us at agilerobotics.com, and we do have mill products and shaft loading products. So please come see us at the booth or visit us at agilerobotics.com.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to visit Agile Robotics here at IMTS 2024. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.